Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry presents Crossover Night with the spiritual director and rector Blessed Winnie Shrine, Reverend Father Emmanuel Obima, Ebemonso. Date Wednesday 30 December and Thursday 31st December 2020. Venue Adoration Ground Uke. Time 7 p.m. till dawn. Connect with us on Facebook, Father Ebemonso, Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry, Anambra, Nigeria. And on YouTube, Father Ebemonso, Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry. Child of God, no matter how bad things look now, it is not the end of the story. God of 0 hour will surely release your miracles before the end of the year. Connect your friends and family. God bless you as you join us.
Papa